Hi guys, welcome to my channel Brainic Classes. I am your mentor Sumesh Srivastava. Today we will discuss about the topic of multiplication of matrices. How we will multiply matrices. This is the very confusing topic for many of the students. So from today you all will understand how to multiply very easily. Okay, so let's understand the concept first. Without concept you will not be able to multiply easily. Few questions you will be able to multiply, but if they will give some critical questions, that's not easy for you. Okay, so first of all, before understanding the matrices, we have to understand the order of matrices. So suppose I have written a matrices over here. What is its order? Okay, so order is always order of matrices. Order is always written in the form of row into column. So how many number of rows over here? This is R1 first row, and this is R2, this is second row, and this is number of column, one column, and this is column number 2. So how many number of rows? 2, and number of columns 2. So the order of the matrices is 2 into 2 over here. Okay, some other example of orders of matrices. Suppose I have written over here 2 3. So what is its order? Okay, so how many number of rows? Row 1 and second row. Column only C1. How many columns are there? Only 2 columns. So order of this matrices, order is 2 into 1, because we have to write always row into column. Okay, so now we got the point of order of matrices. So we will move forward. What is the role of order in multiplication? Okay, so suppose we have been given, we will take first question as we have given matrices 3, A is equal to 3 and 2. These are the elements, these are called elements of matrices, and B is given 2 and 0. These are the elements of the matrices. So what is the role of order in multiplying the matrices? So see, how many number of rows? On 1, and number of columns C1 and C2, and here number of rows 1, here number of, and here is C1. So order of this matrices is 1 into 2, and order of this matrices is 2 into 1. So see, when we multiply A into B, what is its order? What is its order? Okay, what will be its order? So see, we have to remove these middle numbers. Middle numbers we will remove, and we will take the left one as a row into column, which is left one we will take row, and right one we will take as column. This is row and this is column. So this is the order of the multiplication of matrices A into B. Okay, so this will be the order. So if we have to multiply this, we have to understand order very well, because resulting matrices order if we know the order of resulting matrices, we can easily see what will be the elements of the newly formed matrices. Okay, so we will multiply this. See, AB. We have always have to multiply this row into this column. How? First element of this row we multiply with this column. Okay, so 3 into 2 plus 2 into 0. What will be the resulting matrices? It is 6. So you can see there is only one row and one column. Okay, so this is our order and this is our answer. Okay, now one more important point I want to tell you, that remember this point, note this point, as if there is number of column in matrices A is not equal to the number of rows in matrix B, then multiplication is not possible. What does this mean? It means if the number of, suppose this is our matrix 2 0 and 3 1. Okay, this is our A matrix. This is our A. What is B? B, we will write as 3 and 1. So in this case, can we multiply? No. No, we cannot multiply the matrices because the number of column over here are 2 columns. Number of rows here only 1. Okay, so not equal to number of rows. Number of columns in the first matrix should always be equal to the number of columns. Number of columns in the first matrix should always be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, so this is the point. Remember this. Many of the students are confused about this point. In some of the exams, the question is asked that multiplication is possible in these matrices or not. So we have to understand when will be it's possible. Okay. So see, we will solve few questions. Now we will take 2 by 2 matrix. So this is A matrix and this is B matrix. We have to multiply, we have to find AB. Find AB. Okay, so how we will find AB? So we will multiply this column to this this row to this column. Okay, this row to this column. So multiply, let's multiply 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Okay, and 0 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Then 5 into 1 plus 3 into minus 2. Then 5 into minus 1 plus, put this minus sign into bracket. Okay, these numbers, those are having minus sign into bracket, and minus 2 into 2. So what will be the resulting matrices? 0 into 1 0, and 2 into 3 6. So this will be 6. 5 into 1 5, and 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So 5 minus 6 minus 1. 0 into minus 1 0, and 2 into 2 4. 5 into minus 1 minus 5, and 2 into 2 4, and minus 4. So there will be 9. This is the resulting matrices. This is the answer. So I hope you understand the topic, how we can multiply the matrices. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you guys.